Creating an effective thumbnail for your YouTube video is crucial for attracting viewers and encouraging them to click on your content. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make a thumbnail for your YouTube video. Choose a design tool. You can use various graphic design tools to create your YouTube thumbnail. Some popular options include Adobe Photoshop, Canva, GIMP, or even online tools like Snappa and Trello. Choose a tool that suits your skills and requirements. Dimensions and guidelines. YouTube recommends a thumbnail size of 1280 by 720 pixels, 16:9 aspect ratio. Ensure that your thumbnail is clear and readable, even when displayed as a small image. YouTube also enforces some guidelines, so avoid using misleading imagery or excessive text. Select a high-quality image. Choose a high-quality still from your video that represents the content accurately. The image should be clear and eye-catching, as it will be the first thing viewers see. Add compelling title and text. Use bold, easy-to-read text to add a title or key points related to your video. Keep the text concise and relevant, as too much text can clutter the thumbnail and make it difficult to read. Use a contrasting color for the text to make it stand out. Use vibrant colors. Bright and vibrant colors can catch the viewer's attention. Choose colors that are consistent with your branding or the mood of your video. Highlight emotions or expressions. If your video content includes emotions or expressions, consider using an image that captures that moment. People are more likely to click on thumbnails that show relatable emotions. Add borders and shapes. To make your thumbnail more visually appealing, you can add borders or shapes around the image or text. This can help create a sense of framing and draw attention to the main focal point. Maintain branding. Incorporate your channel's branding elements, such as your logo, color scheme, or a consistent font, to make your thumbnails easily recognizable to your audience. Test different designs. Create a few different thumbnail variations and consider asking for feedback from friends or online communities. You can even do A/B testing to see which thumbnail performs better in terms of click-through rates. Save and upload. Once you're satisfied with your thumbnail design, save it in a suitable format, JPEG or PNG, with an appropriate file name. When uploading your video on YouTube, you'll have the option to set a custom thumbnail. Upload the image and adjust its positioning if needed. Remember that your thumbnail should accurately represent your video's content while also sparking curiosity and interest in potential viewers. It's worth investing time and effort into creating compelling thumbnails to improve your video's click-through rate and overall performance.